In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a CV from Europass. So the first thing you want to do is go to europass.europa.eu/English or whatever language you are using. And then what you want to do is over here, you want to click create your free Europass profile on their website. So when you click this, it will ask you to create an account and create your profile in case you haven't done this yet. So as you can see, I've just done it, so I don't have to do it again. But if it asks you to do it again, just put in all your information that you will be using on your CV, and then once you've done that, your profile will be successfully created. You will get a email to your mailbox, and then in there you will be able to create a password, and then from there you'll be able to make your account. Once you've come to this part, you can then create and download a CV from Europass. And the way you do this is by going up here where it says My Europass, and then over here, if you don't see any, you want to click Create a CV over here, and then once you click on it, over here, I'm going to click Create a New CV, and then I'm going to click Continue still, there we go. And then what you want to do from here is, of course, put in all your information, so everything you want to be on the CV, and then you want to click Next. And then over here, you can of course select a template. So there's a bunch of templates. You can select colors, sizes, different logos, and page numbers. And then you want to click Next yet again. And over here, you will get an option to then choose a name for your CV that you can later save. And for this, I'm going to just name it CV1. And as you can see, you can either save it to your Europass library or download it to your computer. So what you want to do, as you can see, this one is empty because I put nothing in there. It's just for a tutorial I'm showing you right now. And then you want to click download, and as you can see, this CV has been downloaded to my computer. And if I now open it up, it's a PDF file. As you can see, this is your CV. As I said, mine is empty because I put nothing in there, but you, when you will finish it out and put in all your information, you'll be able to get a full CV that's actually showing things on it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.